I mean, take two. My Muslim is gonna take two puppies that are different. Come out the door any minute.
I'm gonna go see if he's
Come out the door any minute. Come out the door.
52, he's coming.
Come out the door.
These different ones. None of them look the same.
Oh, both of them look the same. How are those different?
Yeah, how are they different?
How the heck are they different?
They look like Shelby.
How are these different, Muslim? How are these different?
Let's go carry that. Look, this one's just walking already.
I know that's the one that barks.
Oh, that's the one that barks. Can you make him bark?
No, he'll bark when he wants to bark.
Oh. Look, I can switch the camera. Switch the camera. Switch the camera.
Can I carry them?
Yeah, carry him. Go ahead.
What's that one, dude?
How did you bark?
Okay, I'm gonna. These ones are not as calm as another ones.
These are not as calm. But they walk all over the place. Oh my god, it's hurting me. Oh, dig out!
I'm gonna take. I'm gonna leave this one here. I'm gonna take this one somewhere else.
Okay.
But how do I pick up this one?
Oh my god! You look so cute! Oh. You can't barely see it. Take it into the lighter.
Wait, don't carry him like that. He's gonna be right here.
Two different ones. Meet
I don't know.
together.
There's so many puppies, I can't even name one.
I'm gonna name that one Chewy. I'm gonna
How
name.
can we tell we don't even know the parts of dogs?
I'm gonna name this one Chewy. Hi, Chewy. Black, pink. This one has pink eyes. No, it doesn't have blue. Bluish gray eyes. Bluish gray eyes. Bye bye.